Welcome to Luxury Car. Today, we're diving into a machine that blends sheer performance with precision engineering and luxury. This is the all-new 2026 BMW M6. From its aggressive stance to the unmistakable M styling, the M6 has returned with more power, tech, and attitude than ever before. At first glance, the design of the 2026 M6 commands attention. The wide kidney grilles, laser headlights, and sharply sculpted lines make a bold statement. The body is lower, wider, and more aerodynamic than previous generations, giving it an unmistakable road presence. The frameless doors, carbon fiber, roof and quad exhaust setup add both form and function, making it as sleek as it is fast. Under the hood lies the real excitement. The M6 now houses a 4.4-litre twin-turbo V8 engine, pushing out an astonishing 60 horsepower and 625 lb-ft of torque. That power is channeled through BMW's X-Drive all-wheel drive system with a rear-wheel bias, allowing it to sprint from 0 to 60 in just about 3.1 seconds. The 8-speed M Steptronic transmission offers razor-sharp gear shifts and keeps the power delivery seamless and relentless. Step inside and you're surrounded by BMW's latest take on performance luxury. The cabin is wrapped in merino leather and Alcantara, featuring sculpted M Sport seats, ambient lighting, and carbon fiber trims. The digital cockpit is futuristic, with the iDrive 9 system taking center stage on a massive curved display. Gesture, controls, voice commands, and real-time performance telemetry make every drive feel like an event. Driving the 2026 M6 is an experience that blends raw power with control. The adaptive M suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, offering a comfortable cruise or razor-sharp cornering on demand. With customizable drive modes from Comfort to Sport Plus, every detail, from steering weight to throttle response, can be tuned to match your mood. Even the exhaust note has been engineered to growl in the most satisfying way, giving you instant feedback every time you touch the accelerator. BMW has also packed in cutting-edge technology. The latest driver assistance features offer semi-autonomous driving, enhanced safety systems, and a host of intelligent driving aids. The M6 isn't just fast, it's smart too. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through mountain roads, the car feels alive, connected, and incredibly balanced. As with every M model, exclusivity plays a role. Unique paint options, forged alloy wheels, and the iconic M badging remind you that this isn't just another performance car. It's a statement, a machine built for those who want the thrill of a supercar with the luxury and comfort of a grand tourer. The 2026 BMW M6 is more than a car. It's a symbol of evolution in performance engineering. It respects the M heritage, while boldly stepping into the future. Precision, speed, and luxury, wrapped in a design that looks as aggressive as it drives. Thanks for watching. For more in-depth looks at the world's finest vehicles, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned to Luxury Car.